So in my last video, or hopefully the last video that I uploaded, the video where I teach to bake normal maps in Blender, I had a little bit of trouble with the baking of my normal map. And I had this little artifact right here. It's not little, it's really big. So in this video we are going to see how we can fix normal artifacts in Substance Painter. Alright, so first thing is that if you have your normal map in the mesh maps, you want to remove it from there. Then we are going to create a fill layer, alright, and we want only the normal map. We are going to bring from project in the shelf our normal map there, and we are going to set the color space to your normal map type. In this case I use OpenGL, but of course if you use DirectX you will choose that. So here you have two ways that you can fix a normal map, or at least two of them. First thing is that you can create a mask on your normal map, add a paint layer, and you can simply erase away where you don't want your normal map, right? So maybe we can come here, decrease the opacity and the flow, right? And try to delete this as much as we can. But it is still going to be a mess, at least in this case. But this can help, for example, if you want to get rid of this, you can simply remove it, right? But let's see how we can fix more complex artifacts like this one. So I'm going to remove this, all of this, going to remove the mask, and I'm going to duplicate this layer, Ctrl D, alright, and I'm going to hide this. So what we are going to do in this case is that we are going to blur this normal map. So first thing, we are going to click here and we are going to add a filter that is going to be blur. And that is already fixed a little bit the artifact, but the thing is that this blur filter makes the seams more noticeable. So as you can see there, alright. So we have the artifact only in this phase. So first thing we are going to do is to limit this blur normal map to that phase. We add a black mask, a paint, and we are going to select the face. Alright, perfect. We can now activate the other normal map, and we are also going to add, in this case, a white mask. I'm going to add a paint, and pressing X to invert the color to black, we are going to remove it from there. Alright, and it's looking pretty nice. So the artifact, we only have it on this corner. So from the blur part, I am just going to remove it from the other side of this face. Alright, so just like that, we are going to remove that part. Perfect. And we are going to come here and we are going to add it from the first layer. There we go. So we get back that detail. Something like that. Alright, and the artifact is pretty much gone. Alright. You can of course play with the intensity of this blur until you fix it. And you can keep adjusting mask and stuff on this corner, for example. Alright, so this is pretty nice, but now we have here two layers. And the thing is that if you were to bake the other maps, they won't take this normal map into account because it is not a part of the normal mesh map. So we need to export these normal maps. For that, File, export textures, and you will want to create a preset to export only the normal map. This is pretty simple. You press here, you rename this. In my case, I'm going to export as OpenGL. We are going to create RGB, and here in converted maps we are going to drag OpenGL, the RGB channels, all of them. And I'm just going to copy this so I have my naming correctly. In export, we are going to select our preset, and we are going to export this right now in the desktop, doesn't matter. Export, there we go. And I'm going to import this here as a texture to my project. And here in project, there I have it. So I can delete this. And now we can drag this to the normal right there. And now we can come here. We can disable the normal for baking. And I'm going to fix a little bit of this. And we can bake. Alright. And perfect. So the artifact is gone. Everything is looking very nice. And yes, that's basically it. Just so you know, I have opened recently a Discord server. It is a general game development Discord server, but it is really empty now. So if you wanna join in, please click the link in the description. I have some courses in Udemy and Skillshare, some courses on pixel art, and another course on how to paint hand-painted and stylized textures for video games. So click the links in the description if you want to support the channel, and I will really appreciate that. If you like the video, please leave a like and share the content if you want. And if you want to see more videos in the future, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright, I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Thanks.